how to create a Zoom meeting in Google Calendar. So first, go to your Google Chrome and then just click on the three dots here. Then just hover your mouse over extensions and then just click on Visit Chrome Web Store. Next is we're going to search for Zoom Chrome extension. This one, click on this one. Next is just click on Add to Chrome and then click on Add Extension. Okay, now after you've added that, just go to Google Calendar, click on this one, then just click on Calendar here. Okay, next is just create an event, add your title. I'll just name this sample event 50 or whatever you want, and then fill in all of the details here, and then just click on make it a Zoom meeting. As you can see, after you added this extension, what will happen is you will create a Zoom meeting. You will be able to create a Zoom meeting. So just click on make it a Zoom meeting, then just click on sign into Zoom, and of course sign into your account if you have a Zoom account, and you can also use the options here. So I'll just use a Google account and just click on your account and just click on make it a Zoom meeting again, and there you go. So you can see now it's a Zoom meeting in Google Calendar. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you on the next one.